Hi everyone, it's Michael Googe from Blue Ridge Motorcycling Magazine. I'm here riding the Cherohala Skyway, one of my favorite roads if you're traveling between North Carolina and East Tennessee. It's a great road, runs out of Robbinsville over to Tellico Plains. Beautiful scenery, hardly ever any traffic. Just one of my favorite all-time rides. I don't get out here enough to enjoy it as much as I'd like. But if you've never ridden it, it's definitely worth making the trip to see it. So sit back and enjoy some of the scenery with us. And as always, check out our print edition of BlueRidgeMotorcyclingMagazine.com. You can subscribe there. If you enter the code RIDE2021, you'll end up saving about $6 off subscription price. So check us out.